Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about adding keyframes in CapCut. Now you know keyframes are really cool. They give you the opportunity to do amazing things between certain parts of the videos. They're like magic wands for you to do cool effects, whether it's zooms or pans. And a lot of people don't know you could actually do this in CapCut. Absolutely. So I'm going to show you how you can add keyframes at certain points of your video so you could do all these cool effects that you want to do in CapCut. Let's dive in. All right, so the first thing you want to do is make sure you're logged into your CapCut. And this is CapCut on desktop. It's the browser version, not the app, but you should be able to do the same functions in the app. So once again, once you're logged into CapCut, you want to go into your spaces where you're going to make all the changes to create your video, or just click new video. But here we're going to go in our spaces here and choose the video that we're going to make our edits in to add the keyframes. So in this video, this magic is going to happen. We're going to choose this video over here. So now, if you are new to CapCut, if you want to upload your video when you're here, it's very simple. You go to upload and then it goes into your spaces here. Once it goes into your spaces, you can simply click it and it goes into your timeline, which is where we are over here. Now, once you're on your timeline, what you want to do is select where you want your keyframe to be added. So at times you might want to zoom in to be able to know exactly where you want it at. And in this instance, we're just going to add it here. We're going to just add it at this 2:25:21 mark to make some changes. So once you're on your timeline and you have selected where you want, and you want to make sure you're selecting the video. If you do not select the video, you won't be able to add the keyframe. This is very important. It might drive you crazy. You want to select the video. Once you've selected the video, then go to Basic here. Under Basic, scroll all the way down till you see Transform. And under Transform, you have your keyframes. Whether you want to scale large, you can add that. Whether you want to change the position, you can add that. Whether you want to rotate, you can add that. So that's pretty cool. So let's just pick one here. Let's say we're selecting a keyframe here, and let's say we want to rotate. You see what happens? As I start to rotate it, the magic happens. 20. So you see that? So that's based on this keyframe. So the whole goal is that the whole video has changed based on the keyframe. So we're going to go back here, and you could do that also with your positions. You could do that also with your scale if you want to, and it'll scale it differently for you. So here, if we scaled it large, you see it keeps going up. You can scale it low. You see it keeps going up. So that's how you can simply add that. See? When I just play it there, you're going to wait for it and you'll see it do the zoom right when it gets to the 2:21 mark. I'll play it again, but that's the keyframe in action there. See that? That's how you can add your keyframes. And if we click it here and go to the basic, you'll notice that that is our keyframe right where it happened. That's how you can add a keyframe into your CapCut on the desktop browser version. So I hope this was helpful. If it is, like the video, subscribe to the channel so you can continue to see helpful content that just makes your life easier. Till next time, take care.